order filled, order submitted, order submitted, order filled, order submitted, order submitted, order filled, order submitted, order submitted, order submitted, order filled, order submitted, order submitted, order filled, order submitted, order submitted, Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Olá, Hey, morning, Auntie.
Hey Serge, how are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How's it going?
It's going good. How's your trip?
It was good. It was good. Came back, hit the ground running. My brother got sick. My brother got sick in Turkey, so it was a lot. But thank God we made it back safe and sound. That's the most important thing. How
Yes,
you doing?
man, just grinding.
I can imagine, right?
Yeah, but it's been good. It's been good.
Oh, that's good. Happy to hear that. I've been trying to. I think I've been focusing on the wrong things lately. I need to be focusing on this trading versus trying to be figuring out other jobs. You know how you need money immediately
Hmm.
and you probably got it right in front of you, but you're not even utilizing what you got in front of you, right?
Yeah, we gotta maximize our tools and everything, even with time. You know what I mean? Even with time, try to make it the most efficient that we can.
Right, right, for sure.
Hey, morning, Nate.
Hey, morning, fellas.
Good morning.
Oh, and ladies.
How are you?
Oh, I'm good, man. I just that was some clean moves on ES, man. A nice dump. I'm tired. I'm out for the day. I passed the eval, so that's my first account for the year.
Oh, good
And
for you. Happy to hear that.
yeah, my first account for the year after taking some time to reflect on my mistakes and yeah, take profit trader, man. Funded next. Got the funded over here for
Have you got
start for
have you
tomorrow.
got have you guys tried Blue Knox?
Bill Knox.
Sorry, what?
Blue Knox?
Bill,
Blue
you
Knox.
talking about Bill
Blue
Knox?
Knox.
Bulinox. Oh, Bulinox. Yeah, I was funded with them. Lewis, too. A few of us had Bulinox.
Yeah. I think I'm trying to get ahead and pass these daggone these evals with Apex, and then once I pass those, I just can't keep having all these different things. You know what I'm saying? I need to like
Yeah,
have what I'm having.
I mean, my
Uh,
strategy right now is trying to max out my PAs on one company and then decide on another company. Um, Bulinox is a good add-on. They, but they pay. But you're limited to because of like the payout request rules and the timing and stuff. You can only get like two payouts a month, I think.
Right.
Stock filled.
You said two payouts a month?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
That was just the way the timing worked out because it's 10 trading days between payouts, and then payouts are only processed like on Thursday or Friday or something.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so like and then I don't know, it was weird. Like the days that you trade until the payout is processed
Mm-hmm.
don't count towards your next 10 days, right? So like say you request payout on Friday, it'll be in your account on Wednesday, but
Mm-hmm.
Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, like if you trade those days, even though the money already came off of your balance, if you trade those days, they won't count towards your next 10 days. Like, yeah, I don't know, it was weird. But they
Mm-hmm.
definitely pay though. It's good if you want to have an extra account on the side. Just you know what I
Right.
mean.
Order
Um,
submitted.
but yeah, I'm focused on take profit,
You focus on what?
take profit trader. That's my favorite. They have the best payout rules. And then
Yeah,
I
I think.
kind of and then I kind of like Lucid too. Like their funded rules are pretty good and payout rules are pretty good, I think.
Mhm.
But yeah, Apex Boone. I started with Apex, you know. That's,
Yeah.
and then one of the guys here put me on to Top Step or Take Profit or something. Yeah. I don't know. I only been doing trading futures 1 full year.
Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten up. I gotta tighten up, tighten up, tighten up.
I tried to
Order
I
submitted.
did a lot of reflecting, like, you know, I'm just really trying to approach it like a business, keep track
Yeah.
of, keep,
Yeah.
and then on my daily profit target is based off of like observation in the past. Like,
Mhm.
I was always like, I remember one time in the past I reflected like, I easily make that, like, before before I give it all back, like, so I just set that as my daily target.
Yeah, I gotta tighten up.
Order filled.
I have to. I'm so busy trying to find money other places when the money is just like right here in my face. If I can
Target
just, the
filled.
energy that I'm putting into trying to find a job and apply for applications, if I can just do it here. And
Yeah,
I
I get that, but that's something that kind of hurt me too. You know what I mean? Like, just when I was like kind of counting the days till payout because I need it. You know, like
right,
I
right.
had to kind of stop worrying about it. Like let it ride, like that compound interest Warren Buffett talks about. You know. Like
Uh-huh.
just let it ride, not need it. You know what I mean? And then
Exactly.
these little amounts, like that stuff Lou
Order
shows
filled.
everybody, man, those little,
Order
you
submitted.
know, 100, 200, $300 a day over time, man, and then spread that over a bunch of accounts. You know,
Uh-huh.
that turns into a nice chunk of life-changing money,
Uh-huh.
you know?
See what I'm saying?
How
Yes,
you
Yeah.
doing?
sir. Hey, what's going on, y'all?
How are
Hey, what's
you?
up?
I'm good, man. How
Speak,
y'all? How's everybody?
speak, speak of the devil.
Yes, sir.
I'm just talking about you.
Nah, I was here. I was listening.
Oh, okay.
I was listening. I was just playing with the dog.
All right.
He
What
got,
kind of?
I said he got a new baby. He don't know how to act. He don't got time for nobody. He don't got time for
Yeah.
nobody. He literally acting like he got a new baby. Like literally.
Nah, it
Yeah,
is.
that's
That's my
why.
baby.
That's why.
Well, the thing is, she just got. The thing is though, like the past 2 weeks has been a little difficult because she got spayed. So
Oh, y'all wrong for that.
nah, it's what you mean? Because
Wait,
now because the thing is,
now she.
I want her to be able to play with other animals, and a lot of the stuff around here, they have to be spayed. The boys have to be neutered, the girls have to be spayed so that they can like be in little daycare.
So they won't be tapping each other.
Yeah, exactly. And they say
Yeah,
and they also say
Lou,
it's healthier for them too.
well,
Yeah,
Lou live in that money spot, man. Like people around there got those exotic breeds. They don't want no mutts running around. Like, yeah, you're not gonna give my
you're not
dog a
about to
mutt.
knock me up, right?
Yeah. I didn't pay $5,000 for this dog to have little mutts running around.
Okay.
Bro,
It's funny.
they got like around here they got little what's it called, Shiba Inus, and they got pure all these dogs around here
Yeah.
they're very pure.
Yeah,
Pure.
that was marketing genius. Like whoever figured out we're gonna make these
With the
mutts
coin.
trendy,
Yeah.
we're gonna make these mutts trendy like the snadoodle or like you know what I mean?
Yeah. This shit is crazy.
It's
That was
funny because
genius.
I had a when I lived in Africa, I had my kids wanted a dog so bad. I don't do dogs. And so it was a local breed. They call them local breeds. So I don't know, I don't really know what the local breed meant, but I guess over years, it was just, it was just the
Local breed is a hyena.
well, yeah, basically, right? It was like I guess a bunch of dogs that were mixed together. I don't know, but it was a local breed. Definitely didn't look like a hyena because I'm scared of them things. But it was a pretty dog. So we got him when he was a baby, and so my son, he trained him and everything like that. But when he got like a little older and he started going in heat, it was funny because at nighttime, like he would be in the cage during the daytime, because we were trying to teach him how to be like a guard dog. And so at nighttime, when we would let him loose, he would be loose, but we had to kind of like keep him, where he can recognize day from night, being a watchdog. So at nighttime, all the local dogs, they would roam the streets. Like they would just like local dogs, they roam the streets, and they come in gangs. Like they roam the streets in gangs. Like I mean, literally, they be all raggedy, they be beaten up because they be fighting each other. They be having scars and open wounds and stuff, right?
Oh,
And
that's like
so,
the
Order
real
submitted.
nature of dogs, right? The
no, for real, for real.
pack animals, and there's got to be an
Yeah,
alpha. There's got to be
yeah.
an alpha.
So listen, it'll be a bunch of females and males, but a lot of them they get neutered too, but they don't get neutered the American way. They get neutered like it's rough. But anyway,
Yeah.
so my dog, which was a male, was he a male or female? No, he was a male. Tony, he was a male. And so when the female dogs will come at nighttime, yo, he will be in so much heat. Like he will be scratching the gate because we had like a gate. We come up in the morning time, we wake up, we can hear him barking, crying, all types of noises. He would scratch the door, they be scratching the door. It was like a whole conversation between them outside the gate and him inside. And one of my neighbors was like, yo, you gotta get
Order
him
filled.
neutered. I was like, well, how do you do that? So they was like, we'll take him. I was like, what y'all gonna do? He was like, well, you American, you might not want to know how we gonna do it, but he'll be okay. We'll bring him back. So they took him and then they brought him back. He was like he was sick for a couple of days. Bless his heart. He was laying down there stressed out. I had to get him antibiotics and stuff like that. But that neuter stuff really made a difference because when the neighborhood dogs would come around, like he didn't even respond at that point. He would just bark like get away, get away. It wouldn't be like a crying, a howling, and all that other stuff. I was like, yo, animals are a trip. It's like you don't even understand how amazing they are, how smart they are. So I know, Lou, I know your dog is going through a lot now because that's a lot.
Well, she's good now. So which is
How
which
long
is
did it
what I'm
take her
happy
to
about.
heal?
It took about maybe 2 weeks, and we had to put the cone on her head. And I didn't keep the cone on her all the time, just because
Hmm.
I would be, I thought it was kind of cruel to keep it on her like that, especially if she's not like really trying to scratch her stitches or anything, or not even stitches, or whatever it was.
Wait. They did it in her head?
No, you got to put a cone on her, like a you
Oh,
gotta
oh,
put
oh,
something.
oh, you gotta put a cone on her head so that way she won't be trying to pick out the stitches or whatever.
Yeah, exactly. So
Ah, okay, okay,
when
okay,
when I'm
okay.
in the crib with her, she just be chilling. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't have the cone on her. So I got my eye on her. So there was only a couple times that she tried to like reach for it, and then I would put the cone on her for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But I know other people, they keep the cone on them all day. And for
Mm,
me, I'm like, damn, I'm not gonna do that because if she's not trying to play with the incision, then
mm-hmm.
there's no reason for the cone to be on. I only put it on when she's attempting to do it. Then I'll just be like, no, don't do that, and then I'll put the cone on. But for
Right,
the
right,
most
right.
part, she was good. Now she's straight. I looked at the incision. It's healed up all the way. Yeah, she's
Good.
chilling.
Good for her. So
Yeah,
now
she's
she can
chilling.
go out and just be wild. They could be
Now,
playing in the snow and all that together.
yeah, yep. So because basically,
Mhm.
like the day before, she was playing in the snow and doing what she was doing. Then
Uh-huh.
they said she couldn't eat for a day before the surgery. So
Uh-huh.
then she had the surgery. Then it's been 2 weeks. Now she's
Uh-huh.
good. And it just snowstormed the past couple of days. So now
Right.
there's mad snow again. So it's perfect.
Oh, that's what's up.
So I'm gonna take her out because now I'm done for the day on a couple of my accounts. I'm done for the day, so I'm gonna just take her out and just let her be. But
Oh, okay, that's good. I said that's good. Yeah, she occupy your time like she a straight baby. Lou, when I'm trying to I'm trying to pass my accounts, right? When I go to settings, so that way it won't ask me. Sorry, it won't ask me.
Order submitted.
Am I confirming this trade? Well, I just unclick the confirm on window or tab close, right?
you just do what?
You know, when I go to settings to like
No, I heard that part, but I didn't hear the last sentence you said.
confirm on window or tab close. I'm gonna uncheck that, right?
Yeah, uncheck that. Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Or what you can do is, you can do that, or what you can do is just enter a trade on Sim, and then that box will pop up, and then just uncheck underneath.
Order
Oh,
filled.
okay.
You'll see, because what happens is there are two ways you can turn it off. The first way is the way you set it. The second way is if it's already on and you try to take a trade, that pop-up will come up. Just uncheck that box when the pop-up comes up, and then click yes, you enter the trade. So now the next time you try to enter a trade, it won't do it.
Okay. Well, I don't want that to be permanent. I just want it just for me to pass my
Well, either way, when you uncheck it, it's permanent until you put it back.
Right. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So Serge, you don't have any other accounts, right? That you're gonna trade today?
I got 2 accounts.
Do you have Replicanto on do you have Sim as a leader or anything?
I got this account as a leader, the one that you're seeing. I'm a pull
change it to Sim real quick. All right. Click buy. Do you have the does that pop up come up for you?
No.
So when you buy market, you'll go right in.
Let me see. Yeah, I don't get it.
Oh, okay. You can close out because you probably already took it off. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, you can go back to your doing, bro. My fault. Yeah. So Auntie, right there. So say he was to buy market. When that pop up comes up, it says you're trying to sell to GP at whatever price, whatever, and then right underneath it'll say you want to keep the confirmation box. Actually, you know what? Let me just do this. I want to. I'm trying to make sure I say it correctly for you so that you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, it'll say don't show this again.
Is that what it says? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's what it says. Yeah. Don't show this again or whatever, and then you just I click. Yeah. Disable.
There's a little box next to that. You just check that box.
Yep. Because I just did it
right. That was annoying. Like if I was trying to do a market order because I saw it move, and that delays you for a second or two.
Yeah. So
that delays your entry.
It says it's so initially, Auntie, it's an unchecked box, and it says disable order confirmation. You would just check that, and then you would go into the market, and then the next time that pop-up wouldn't come up. But if you want that to come back up again, you have to go back in tools like you found it, and then put it back on.
Okay.
So, and I'm explaining it to you fully because I want you to fully understand, because I already know what can happen if you think that pop-up's gonna come up, and then you try to just buy market thinking that the pop-up will be there, and then you're in, and now you're like, oh shit, you know what I'm saying? That happened to me before. Yep.
Yeah, that's the scary part. The market's slow today. What the hell?
Oh, slow. Yeah, right.
Slow. It was a huge dump at
Look at the market right now. That shit.
No,
like I don't even.
It was a huge dump. I didn't catch it because I'm trying to trade. Like I'm talking about right now as we speak.
Oh, yeah. The move. I mean, to me, the move is done.
Yeah, I made a rule not to trade the first 5 minutes of the open. So I wait for that first 5 minute candle to develop, and then but even and I didn't even hop in until like the second or third 5 minute candle, and I still caught like 15 points.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait until like I was trying to wait until after all the give it like a chance to do what it's gonna do.
Oh, it did.
I've been trading like around 10 a.m., 9:50, 10 a.m. lately.
Okay.
It's been good for me.
When the
Sometimes
volume dies down a little bit.
yeah, sometimes I could do the open, but since I'm working at 9:30, sometimes it doesn't. I can't sit down and focus. So I said, let me just wait until after, after everything gets settled, and then go from there.
Yeah, I decided I'm not to trade the first 5 minute candle because it's not. I don't know if that's going to be a fake out candle or not. I got tapped out too many times, like on a fake out or a liquidity sweep or whatever we want to call it.
Liquidity sweep, liquidity grab,
Yeah,
swept
whatever.
market low. What's the word? What's the terms they be all saying? What?
Freaking fake. To me, it's a fake out, right? I mean, it's institutions, grabbing up all the stops and limits before they go in their direction, That happens a lot. Like, just the first kind of starts down, like you gotta, and then by the end of the candle, you're going up.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
MNQ on this one? Boom. Wow.
Order filled.
I don't know if I should even trade the new PA tomorrow or if I should wait till Monday.
Might as well just wait till Monday. Get all the jitters out.
Cause I'm thinking too many times. Like I started a PA on a Friday, and Friday action got me.
Then you got to think about it all weekend.
Yeah, maybe just sit on it until Monday, and I'll start a fresh PA with a fresh week. Go slow and steady. That's what I've been trying to really focus on. Long-term consistency, man. It's a couple $100. Cause I figured out, I'm like, all the time that I miss out of the market, right? If that was just $50 or $100 a day, that would have been a lot of money, right? So a little bit at a time.
Order filled.
All right, y'all. Well, happy trading. Be careful. I gotta go make some breakfast.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. You're a breakfast man.
Yeah, well, I got a lot of breakfast food. I just don't usually get around to making it for myself.
I know. Me
I go the
too.
lazy way and I throw a bagel in the toaster.
Yeah. I have so much breakfast stuff. I don't even eat breakfast. I have to do better.
Yeah, I have a ton of breakfast. I literally had to ask, like, try and figure out if eggs went bad. Like, I've been a chef for like 20 years, and I don't even know how long eggs stay good.
Oh, you a chef? Oh man.
Yeah,
I
we're
would love
good.
I would love to live with a chef.
I do a lot of stuff. I'm an insurance agent too, but I don't like that. So I went back to cooking for a little while, figure out my next move. Always
Well,
eat.
hopefully this trading will be your next and last move, God willing.
Yeah, yeah, but I can't look at it like that. I gotta just do things the way according to plan, and
Right.
the money will just come. If it's gonna work out, if it works out, the money will just come. Can't think about that. Long as you're sticking by the plan. But yeah, I'll have a good one. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Check in, even if I'm not trading this account.